Today we are going to start C programming decision making statement. In the decision making statement we having if then else statement and the switch case statement. We will consider one after another. First we will open if else statement or if then else statement. If statement, if then expression. If the condition is true, if will print for yes condition. If the condition is false, that will be in the else part. But for the only if condition, there will be the only the true statement or the yes statement only. Like we having a number, enter a number, scan a percent the ampersand number. If number modular division 2 equals to 0, it will print a even number. So if that is divisible by 2, it will be even number. Odd is not given here. So for if statement, only the positive part will be written, no negative part will be written. If we consider if then else statement, there should be expression true condition and else false condition. So if we consider the flow chart, if condition true statement, false else statement, then it will be end. Like the same program, if the number is divisible by 2, then even number, else odd number. So in if then else, there should be both positive and negative. Only if there should be only positive, no negative, right? Now we get if there are multiple conditions, more than 2 conditions, if else more than 2, then it will be switch case. So how to control switch case block? So switch case execute multiple condition like if else if ladder statement. So first switch, then expression, case value, break, case 2 break, default case, then it will be closed. Like if we take one example for the flow chart, expression, match case, case 1, then statement break, case 2, statement break, case n, statement break. If unmatched, then it will be default, statement break and end. Now if we consider one program, let we having a number, enter a number. If the number is 10, case 10, it will be equal to 10. If it is 50, the number is equal to 50. If it is 100, the number is equal to 100. Default, the number is not equal 10, 50 and 100. This is the example for the switch case statement. Now we will consider few practical on if then else and switch statement. So now I am opening dev C++. Any compiler we can use, dev C or turbo C. Here I am using dev C. Go to file and new source file. First statement is if statement. Program age more than 18, eligible for vote. So as include stdio.h, int main, int age, printf, enter the age, scanf, %d, ampersand age. If age greater than or equals to 18, we will write printf eligible for vote as age is percentage d comma age. Now file, save, age if dot c, execute, compile and run. Enter age. Suppose we are entering 21 as the age, eligible for vote as the age is 21. If we take if then if else statement, similar thing, we have to copy, new file, eligible for vote or not. So there should be not statement, that will be known as if else. So just we have to add else part. Within the else, not eligible, so if we have to write not eligible, and we have to save the file, age if else dot c, execute, compile and run. If we take 21 eligible for vote, if we take 15 not eligible for vote as the age is 15. Now the if else statement are clear. Now we will take switch block. So how to perform? We are taking switch case program. So one for add two numbers, two for subtract two numbers, one for add two number, two for subtract two number. Or we can take anything, like if we want to take leap year or even odd, it will also can be done. So I am taking another program. Suppose if we press 1, it will find leap year or not, If we press 2, it will find even or odd, right? So now we are taking that code as include stdio.h int main return 0, get ch and clear screen not required as this is def c, int ch year number. Okay, so printf enter choice, one for leap year or not leap year check, two for even odd check. Now scanf %d %ch switch ch case 1 printf enter the year, scanf %d ampersand year if Here modular division 4 equals to 0. Printf percent year, printf percent year is leap year, else percent year is not leap year. If we take same for case 2, just we have to give we have to write case 2 here, enter number, it will be number. If we take number modular division 2 equals to 0, it will be the number is even number, and the number is odd number, and the default case, if the case is not match, then it will come to default case. Printf wrong choice. By this process we can create any programs as the menu driven program. Break, here also we having break. Now I want to run the code, that is my entire code. Execute, compile and run. Switch.c, enter your choice, 1 for leap year check, 2 for even odd check. I am pressing 1. Enter year 2004, that is leap year. Again we are taking and leap year check, year 2001, non leap year. Again we are taking case 2 even odd check, enter number 24, even number. Again we are checking 2 number 21, odd number. If we press any other the following output, any output rest of the 1 and 2 like 5, wrong choice. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.